Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy the top Shopify stores in the world. They're winning products, they're winning ads, they're targeting, and literally everything they're doing to make all their money. It's a tool called Pexa. I'm going to teach you how to use it right now. Nobody is talking about it, and it's absolutely mind-blowing how it works. Everything that it tells you about a store. So I'm going to show you in my computer right now. Let's go and find out. So before we go into how to actually find products and stores that are doing really well on Shopify, I want to tell you about this tool called Pexa, right? And they didn't pay me at all to do this video. I didn't get paid in any way, shape, or form. But it's a tool that essentially analyzes a Shopify store to its core. Winning products, winning ads, what pages they're using to advertise, literally everything, all the traffic that's coming to each and every product, and literally everything that you need to know to copy them and just do it for yourself. So let's actually go. I'm logged in, so we can log into the dashboard. And let's say you want to look for a store and analyze everything about them. So let's go to inspireuplift.com, which is a store that I know that's making a lot of money, millions on Shopify. Let's take this store, inspireuplift.com, and all you have to do is put it in there. It'll analyze the store for you. And now these little cool things that it's going to tell you about the store. It's going to tell you traffic by countries, how much traffic it has every single month, and the difference in months. So last month it had 2.2 million. That's a lot. That's $1 million to 1.5 million in revenue estimated. And then mobile, 62%, desktop 37%. And the amazing, just mind-blowing thing that this tool shows you is the referring Facebook pages to the store. So all you have to do with these pages that are right here, it tells you the links right here, the links as well. So all you have to do is, now you know the pages that are referring traffic to the store. You take those pages and you put them on your browser on Facebook, and then you go to the info and ads section of every one of these pages. And essentially, if they have more, if they have from like 4 to 8 all the way up to 10, Pexa is going to show you all of those pages. And you can literally go to every single one of them, click info and ads, and now you know all of the ads running to that Shopify store. You imagine how mind-blowing this is? You don't have to swipe millions of ads. You don't have to buy 3 different softwares. All you have to do is put a website, you get all the Facebook pages, and that's it. Now you check out all the ads that they're running. The other cool thing that it shows you is the best-selling products, of course. So the products that are on here are essentially their top products per month, and they're auto-updated by the software. Plus, like, these are the top in revenue. It also shows you top traffic. So if you check on traffic, it literally shows you how many people went to that page in total, and the changes every single month. So all you have to do is click on see more best-selling products. We're going to click on that, and then it's going to show you even more products for that store. So let's check on that. These are all their top products. You can sort by newest, by oldest, by highest traffic, highest change in traffic, highest price, and literally anything that you want to know about their winning products. So this is like having a bunch of softwares in one pretty much. So you get, like, Inspire Uplift is selling all these products. You can see the traffic. So let's say you want to test like this rollerball massager. They've only tested it with 1,474. So their ad might have 5 million views, but the actual product page only has 1,400. So essentially, you know, oh, maybe this is not as saturated as it seems. I can test it. But if it already has like 50,000, 70,000, maybe 100,000 people visiting it, then you know it's saturated, you know not to try it. So it really gives you a lot of insight into the products. We're going to go back so I can show you the last piece of the puzzle, which is obviously their top Facebook ads. So this literally shows you all of their ads they're running, how many comments, how many shares, the traffic they generated. So some of these ads, they might have like 2 million views, but that's because they're either on watch pages or they have like viral pages. I'm going to show you essentially the watch page section on Facebook, which I talk about a lot. These ads might have like 2 million views, but they only have 379 traffic, which doesn't make sense, but it makes sense if those ads are just being optimized for video views, or they're being optimized on the watch page where people just watch videos. They never click on the actual link. So it really gives you insight on their top ads, what makes them work, what makes them get sales. So you can just click on here, see more videos, and then from the website, it's going to pull up all of their ads, literally all of them. And these are the top ones that they're running. So you can just input a domain and it'll show you other Facebook ads, all their Facebook pages that they're using to run ads to their Shopify store. It's literally telling you everything that you need to know. To copy them, you take, let's say you want to sell this waterfall of smoke. All you have to do is click on that. It'll show you the exact ad right here, and boom. And now you know what ad to run, if it's running, if it's selling or not, right? So you check on, let's say this laser acupuncture pen. Boom. Now you have the ad copy right here. Obviously, I don't recommend like straight off just stealing the ad copy and putting it into your own, because some ad copies are very saturated. So people are just used to it. They're like, whatever. I've seen that a million times. So what you do is that you model it after this, because you already know that this is working. Now you can model it and write it for your own. So this is why I love this tool. Again, they're not paying me anything for this. I don't even know the owners or anyone working at Pexa. They don't know who I am. I'm too small for that. But literally, this is like a tool that I discovered the other day. It's a little bit expensive, so I'm going to show you the actual pricing. The actual pricing of the tool, it's a little bit expensive. It's $200 a month, but there is a 1-week free trial for just $7. So all you have to do is just get on the free trial for 7 days. Again, I don't have an affiliate link or anything to it. So all you have to do would be to just get on the $7 free trial, try it out for 7 days, spy on like 50 to 100 stores, and then just dip out and then just cancel the trial. So I would definitely recommend you use it. It's definitely improved the way I look at successful Shopify stores, and it's going to improve the way my team and I write better ads in the long run and just find better products in the long run, because this is breaking down who is winning to the core. Products, targeting, ads, literally anything that you would want to know about someone making a lot of money, this is going to break it down. So the other section of this video, which I'm going to show you, is how to actually find stores that are winners, right? How to actually find links to the products that are being advertised, or just pretty much anything being advertised on Facebook. And what I recommend you do is go to the watch section on Facebook. It's a new feature that they updated last year, which essentially just videos of products or videos in general of cool things that people can share with each other. So I don't recommend going on Facebook.com straight up and just searching through there. That's good, but that's what everybody does. And I've been teaching my students to go on Watch, and they found products that pretty much nobody else has found because they're not looking on Watch. What I recommend is you type in product or products here on Watch, and the cool thing is it's gonna pull up all of the awesome product you must have. Let me see. This owl is a revolutionary product. So, and then if you look up products, it's going to actually give you lists of products. So 9 home products, products you need in your life, like boom. Now you have products that people are looking at. And then this one has 90,000 shares and 22 million views. That's insane. So, and they actually don't even have a link to any of these products, which is crazy. All you have to do is like look up. So another trick that I'm going to show you now is look up the product name on Google and find the Google ads that are running for that product. Check if the store is based on Shopify. Like you can do that right now. So let's say it is like waterfall smoke, incense burner. This is one of the things that a lot of my students are selling now. So all you have to do is, let's say we find the store. I can't find a store that's not Amazon, but let's say we find a store here. Life-changing products here, let's say. Lifechangingproducts.net. All you have to do is download this Chrome extension called What Runs. And What Runs is going to tell you, does it run on Shopify, WordPress, WooCommerce, whatever it is. It's going to tell you exactly what it runs on. So if it runs on Shopify, you can just go to Pexa. I mean, this one doesn't run on Shopify, but let's say it did. All you have to do is go lcpshop.net, input it into Pexa, and it will tell you everything about it. It's going to pull up like products, ads, targeting, literally anything that you need to know to copy them. Do it on your, like this just shortcutted months off of anybody's learning curve by just copying what works. So this is definitely something that I recommend. I mean, I know like a lot of people don't have the money to spend $200, $500 a month on a software like this. So I just recommend doing the free trial, 7 days, and then poof, that's it. So it's not pulling up. I'm guessing it's because, it's a WooCommerce site. but that's essentially what I do. If I find a product in one of these videos that I like, and I kind of know the name or the name appears somewhere here, all I do is I look it up on Google, I check the Google ads or the Google results for it, and then I go and check the actual store, use that application called What Runs to see if it's a Shopify site or not, take the Shopify site, put it into Pexa, and now I have their top winning products, their top winning ads, and literally anything that I would want to know about that store to copy them. And guys, I have a special gift for you. If you want a list of the top 50 Shopify stores all over the world, and these are general stores, these are not like top brands like Kylie Cosmetics, or anything else. No, these are top 50 general stores that are selling products just like you probably. Top 50 revenue stores all over the world. The link is in the description. One of my Inner Circle students actually spent a lot of time crafting this list, and he's selling it for $4 only. So if you go to that link in the description, you can find the top 50 stores, buy it through there. I don't make any money off it. All the money goes straight to the student. So if you want to support that student, he spent hours and hours and hours crafting this list of these 50 stores and making sure I made sure that those stores were high traffic stores and high revenue stores, and they are. So if you want that list of 50, so you can just go to Pexa, get a trial, put them on Pexa, find their products, find their ads, find everything about them. Then you can buy that for like $4 only, and all the money, as I said, goes to my student. Nothing goes to me. Thank you so much for watching this, guys. If you want a special Inner Circle module that I did only for my mentoring program, but you want it right now, you know I love you guys, I care for you guys, comment secrets, comment the word secrets down in the description, in the comments below, comment secrets in the comments below for a special module that you can learn how to test and how to scale products through Facebook ads properly and how to do it right now, 2019, my most updated method and version. You can comment secrets below. I'll send you that right away. And as always, if you want to schedule a free one-on-one call with this guy directly, a one-on-one call with me, you can schedule it in the link in the description. It says 7figureshop.com/schedule call. And you can schedule a free one-on-one call to see if you're the right fit for a mentoring program to work one-on-one with me and get you to your goal, whether that's 5K a month, 10K a month, 50K a month, 100K a month, whatever that goal is. We'll work on it one-on-one together and we'll figure out the best strategy for you. So make sure to schedule a call right now in the description. As I said, again, get that 50 top stores. All the money goes to my student, not me. So if you want to do that, get it down in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like this video so it gets more views on the channel. More people see it. If you like this video, more people see it. More people get value. More people know about all these strategies. And if you subscribe, YouTube keeps pushing me up. So we get more people excited. Our community grows and literally everything gets better. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below secrets for that special module. I will see you guys in the next one.